Welcome back to Double RF Boating. Today I'm just taking out the wonderful Hinton 5.2 with the 125 horsepower offshore Mercury and just going to take it for a bit of a run. This is the first opportunity I've had to take the boat out since actually getting it serviced. So we're just going to have a little bit of a go and we'll just see how everything pans out. Alright, enjoy.